morning students, welcome back to Max online class. In this video we are going to solve problem in exercise number 4.2, question number 7. Look at the diagram. This is a triangle ABC. Here they have drawn DE which is parallel to BC. Okay, given DE is parallel to BC and then drawn FE which is parallel to this DC. I represent like this line parallel to this one. Okay, this FE is parallel to DC. FE parallel to DC. Prove that AD square equal to AB into AF. AB into AF. Okay. If they are asking in 2 mark question means we can write the answer directly. Here I am going to apply similar triangle concepts. Okay. So first I am going to take this triangle AFE and ADC. In triangle AFE, this one AFE and ADC. I am going to compare this triangle AFE and ADC. They said clearly this FE is parallel to DC. FE is parallel to DC. If this is FE parallel to DC means these two angles are equal. Angle AFE is equal to angle ADC as well as angle AEF and angle ACD. These two angles are equal and angle A is common. Angle A is common. By using angle similarity criteria, the two triangles namely AFE similar to triangle ADC. Okay, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. You know this concept. So according to that, we can write AF by AD is equal to FE by DC, and one more result we can write, that is AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay, so consider as 1. Next, in a triangle ADE and ABC, I am going to take ADE and ABC. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, I can say these two triangles are similar. How? You can ask. Like this DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. It is enough to say these two triangles are similar, because if DE is parallel to BC means angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. And angle A is common. By using angle similarity criteria, by using angle similarity, we can say the triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. You know that. So AD by AB is equal to DE by BC, and one more result, AE by AC. AE by AC. So from here AE by AC equal to AF by AD. Here AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. Consider as 2. Here we replace the value of AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. Here AE by AC is equal to AF by FT. So AE by AC, this AE by AC is equal to AF by AD. Okay, if you take this as 3, result AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. So AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. Substitute in 3. What is the 3? AE by AC equal to AF by AD. So instead of this AE by AC, I am going to replace AD by AB. So it can be written as AD by AB equal to AF by AD. If you do cross multiplication, this AD into AD is equal to AD square is equal to AF into AB. Hence the result. Okay. So AD square equal to AF into AB. This is the result we proved. AD square equal to AB into AF. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, means you can draw the triangles separately in the sense, here I have taken triangle AFE and ADC. So if you want to draw again, means you can draw it. For example, this A F E, then one more we compare with the triangle ADC. ADC. Okay, this FE parallel to DC, therefore corresponding angles are equal. So angle F is equal to angle D, angle E is equal to angle C, and angle A is common. By using angle similarity criteria, we can say these two triangles are similar. After that, we applied corresponding sides or proportionality rule. Okay, after that we can get this result. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Exercise number 4.2, question number 8. In a triangle ABC, AD is the angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector. It divides angle A into two equal angles. If it is theta, means it is also theta. For example, it is 30 degree, means it is also 30 degree. It means BAD is equal to DAC. They said AD is a bisector of angle A. Okay, so we can apply angle bisector theorem. We can apply ABT, angle bisector theorem. So AD, internal bisector of a triangle, divides the opposite side BC in the ratio of corresponding sides containing an angle. It means BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. This is the theorem. BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Okay, here AB is given, AC and BC is given. They are asking to find BD and DC. BD and DC. How can we find it? You know, BC length, that is 6 cm. So better you can assume BD is equal to Y for some variable. Okay, I have taken Y. So if it is Y, means this length becomes 6 minus Y, because total length is equal to 6. It is Y, means this length from C to D is equal to 6 minus Y. Okay, so we can apply ABT theorem, that it means BD by DC equal to AB by AC. What is BD? Y by DC is equal to 6 minus Y is equal to AB is equal to 10 divided by AC, that is 14. Simplify it. 2 table means 5 times, here 7 times. Doing cross product, 7y is equal to this 5 into 6, 30 minus 5y. If you take this left hand side, 7y plus 5y is equal to 30. So 7y plus 5y gives 12y is equal to 30. Okay, so divide. Y is equal to 30 divided by 12. How many times? 2 times, 24. Okay, 30 divided by 12. 2 times means 24, remaining 6. Does not activate, therefore point. So here you can add 0. 60 means there are 5 times. 5 into 12 is equal to 60. Okay, therefore the value of y is equal to 2.5. What is y? BD is equal to y is equal to 2.5. So DC is equal to 6 minus y is equal to 6 minus 2.5 gives 3.5. Okay, so BD value 2.5 and DC value 3.5. Okay, so if you know this theorem, angle bisector, you can find the value of BD and DC easily. 4.2, exercise 4.2, question number 9. The question is, check whether AD is the bisector of angle A of triangle ABC in each of the following. Okay, so here if AD is the bisector, if AD is bisector means in a triangle ABC, if AD is the bisector, AD is the bisector means it satisfies the condition of angle bisector theorem, ABT. Okay, so it means BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. If these ratios are equal means AD is the bisector. AD is the bisector. This BD by DC equal to AB by AC means AD is the bisector. Okay, so check whether AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay, so now I am going to verify whether they are equal or not. So first BD by DC. BD by DC. What is BD? 1.5 and DC is equal to 3.5. So 1.5 by 3.5. If you cancel by 5 table, what do we get? 0.3 by 0.7 is equal to 3 by 7. Consider as 1. Next, right hand side, AB by AC. What is AB? 5 and AC is equal to 10. 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. It is 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what do we get? Are they equal? No. BD by DC is not equal to AB by AC. This result BD by DC is not equal to AB by AC. Therefore, AD is not a bisector of angle A. If BD by DC equal to AB by means, we can write AD is an angle bisector of A. Okay. So second subdivision is homework. Second subdivision satisfies this condition. Okay, you have to do that.